Welcome back. So this video is going to be me preparing for a trip to Belize. However, what I'm doing is wanting to mimic my real hair. So I'm going to start by braiding my hair down so that I can start the preparation for the install of the wig that I purchased from RPG. It is a lace front wig, so I will be showing you how I install. I'll be doing the ball cap method to protect my hair and my edges because I'm going to be using the Esha wig glue to actually hold the wig down. However, on my edges right now, I'm putting the Got2Be glue just to secure the stocking cap to my hair and again to protect my edges. I actually like for a wig to look real and not wiggish, so that's the point of me going through all these steps to actually make it look real. Shout out to J Baby and Glamazante for their videos. I looked at a lot of their videos and got a few pointers from them on how I'm doing my install today. Here I am creating a hairline before the actual glue line. This is important because you just kind of want to have a marker of where you want to put your glue before you actually lay the wig onto the glue. I am doing this also because I'm recreating a hairline because I do not want to put the actual glue on my hair. I know it looks super crazy right now, but it will make sense once I'm finished. So some tutorials I have watched, they actually put glue across the whole perimeter of the forehead, but I like to do it in sections just so that way I have control of where I want it to lay. Also, you see here I am placing a skin protectant onto my skin before applying the glue to my skin. Optional, you can definitely use a hair dryer on a low or cool setting if you want to kind of speed up the drying process of the glue. Once the lace is set in place, you can then go in and kind of pluck the hairline, give it a little more realistic look. Also, once you're done with that, you want to tie it down and kind of let that set for about 20 minutes. I was happy with my results when I was done. It lasted me at least 3 to 4 days. On my trip, it was very humid, so the hair did get frizzy. I was able to wet it down each day and kind of get the curl pattern back to where it needed to be. It didn't really lift much, but I guess it was my first time. I was kind of nervous with it around my, perimeter of my hair because it did slide back a little. By day 4, I took it off and just rocked my own hair. I give this product 8 out of 10 only because by day 3 and 4 my wig started to slide. Had it not done that, I probably would have given it a full 10. Definitely day 1 it was a 10 because it was a good hold. But other than that, thought it was a good product. I don't know if I'll try it again, but if you got any questions or comments, just let me know. Stay positive and stay blessed.